Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we are going to explore the WebRTC calling feature. WebRTC is a technology that allows agents to make and receive calls directly from their web browser. This means there's no need for additional software like softphones or physical devices such as desk phones. Everything happens right in the browser, making it extremely convenient and accessible. It's simple, secure, and delivers high-quality voice connectivity right inside your application. Agents can easily initiate an outbound call by simply clicking on any phone number in the Leads, Contacts, or Deals module. The call is handled entirely through the web browser using WebRTC, eliminating the need for any external devices or softphones. This seamless integration via the Agent CTI ensures quick, efficient, and hassle-free communication. When agents click the Agent CTI button, the CTI panel opens. By default, it appears in ready mode, indicating that the agent is immediately available to receive inbound calls and can also make outbound calls directly from the application. On the CTI panel, you'll notice a virtual number. This is the number through which all calls are connected to customers. Now, let's see how inbound calls are triggered and handled through WebRTC. When a call comes in, the Agent CTI shows the status as ringing, and the agent hears the ringtone through their headset. The call can be automatically picked up in the Agent CTI. Once connected, the agent can see the call duration along with hold and mute buttons. A call pop-up also displays the caller's details, making it easy to manage the conversation. If you want to explore all the features of the Agent CTI in detail, we've provided a link to a full walkthrough video. Next, let's look at how outbound calls can be handled through WebRTC directly from the browser. The user can either type the phone number in the dialer or simply click on the phone number associated with a lead, contact, or deal. Here, I'm typing the number and hitting the Call button to initiate the call. The call is processed entirely through the web browser using WebRTC. You'll notice the call status updates in the Agent CTI. You can refer to the video link for a detailed view of these statuses. Once the recipient picks up, the call duration becomes visible, and the agent can use the hold and mute buttons to manage the call efficiently. During an active call, the agent can place the customer on hold, for example, while checking information or transferring the call. When a call is on hold, the caller hears a default hold tone or music, indicating that the call is still active. During this time, the call duration timer pauses. Once the agent clicks Unhold, the call resumes seamlessly, and the call duration timer continues. This feature ensures a professional call experience, even during short pauses. The mute option allows the agent to temporarily disable their microphone while the call remains active, and the call duration timer continues running. This is especially useful when consulting a team member or managing background noise. While muted, only the agent's voice is silenced. The agent can click Unmute at any time to resume the conversation with the caller, ensuring full control over the call. Every WebRTC call is automatically logged in the CRM, capturing details such as call duration, agent information, and call disposition. This ensures that every customer interaction is tracked and available for reporting. To explore all the features related to call details, you can watch the cloud telephony video we've already provided in the link. With WebRTC, agents can manage calls directly from the browser. No installations, no external devices, just smooth, reliable communication. Features like hold and mute provide flexibility, allowing agents to handle calls professionally and efficiently. As you can see, the Agent CTI with WebRTC empowers agents to handle calls with complete flexibility, enabling them to balance between inbound and outbound calls effortlessly.